This YouTube channel focused on babies and moms can cover a wide range of topics to cater to different interests and needs. Here are some examples. Baby development milestones. Create videos discussing the developmental milestones for babies at different ages, including physical, cognitive, and emotional milestones. Baby care tips. Share tips and tricks for baby care, including feeding, bathing, diaper changing, and soothing techniques for fussy babies. Mom self-care. Discuss the importance of self-care for moms and share tips on how to prioritize self-care while taking care of a baby. Breastfeeding support and advice. Provide information and support for breastfeeding moms, including tips for successful breastfeeding, dealing with common breastfeeding challenges. Mom fitness and wellness. Share postpartum fitness routines, yoga exercises for new moms, and tips for maintaining overall wellness during the postpartum period. Baby food recipes and nutrition. Create videos featuring homemade baby food recipes, tips for introducing solid foods, and advice on nutrition for infants and toddlers. Mom and baby bonding activities. Offer ideas for bonding activities that moms can enjoy with their babies, such as baby massage, baby wearing, and reading together. Birth stories and parenting journeys. Share birth stories and personal parenting experiences to provide encouragement and support to other moms going through similar experiences. Baby sleep solutions. Offer tips and strategies for establishing healthy sleep habits for babies, including bedtime routines, sleep training methods, and dealing with sleep regressions. Baby fashion and style. Showcase adorable baby fashion trends, clothing hauls, and styling tips for different seasons and occasions. Baby health and safety. Address common health and safety concerns for babies, such as infant CPR, baby-proofing the home, recognizing signs of illness, and vaccination schedules. Parenting challenges and solutions. Open up discussions about common parenting challenges like sleep regression, teething, separation anxiety, and offer practical solutions and support. Mom and baby fitness. Share fun and gentle exercise routines that moms can do with their babies, such as postnatal yoga, stroller workouts, and baby wearing exercises.